Oh. All right. The green car is back. Finally, after many weeks of waiting. We got it all suspension-wise done. Got the new struts down there. New spark plug wires. Because I broke a spark plug in half. Put the header back in, it cracked it. So it's all redone. So we're gonna check fluids. Me and the wife are gonna go take it on a, what is it, hour-and-a-half drive there? Yeah. To the Wichita Mountains. And we're gonna see if it survives. I'm sure it will. Gonna have a nice little adventure though. Some cool photos. Why am I coming out here? Rags are in here. Where are my rags? Rags. I don't know where my rags are. But we're going to have a nice little vacation night, afternoon. That's how it works. So we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then we'll put you on a time lapse there, and we'll see. We'll see you when we show up at the mountain. So yeah. made it. We're on the very tippy top of the mountain. 200 miles out. Watch this. Extend it out, just go way up there. It's freaking crazy. The grain car drove great. The only thing that happened to it is I filled it up, and I'm parked at such an incline of car that it's leaking out of the breather tube because it's a Jeep Cherokee gas tank. But we're out here adventuring. That's the road we went past last time. We're just in the air. We're just way up in the air. We're just up here. Not a bad trip whatsoever besides the leaking gas tank. But it stopped dripping after I went backwards, parked the car backwards, so I'm not too worried about it. It's also the first time I've actually filled it up, but I was just chilling. It's a nice rock. Nice rock you got there. A little windy. I should have brought the other mic, but I didn't. But yeah, it's 200 miles. 200 miles here. So, it's about 300 miles there and back. And so far, halfway there, the car's been great. It's liking the altitude. The gears feel good. It's just leaking gas from the breather tube because we're at such a slant. So, which isn't a big deal. We got a gas station at the bottom of the hill. I don't think I'm gonna fill it up all the way. I barely even used a quarter of a tank in 6th gear. It was 80 miles in 6th gear was like, I think 1900 RPM or something like that. So she's cruising. But talk about an adventure, right?
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, these rocks are huge too. Scared them would see some like giant spider bite me in the face. Cruised up here with some other cars, a couple of bikes. I think they're leaving now. But what a day. What a day. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna take some photos and we'll go back down the hill. So yeah, we'll see y'all in a minute.
All right, so we're on the way down the mountain now. Just cruising in neutral.